Can eye exercises improve your vision? If you go online and you type this question that whether these exercises can improve your vision, you will not get an accurate answer. However, as per my personal experience, they do improve your eye vision. And this is what happened with my child. When I found out that my child also has a number, I was a little zapped. Then I thought for a moment, maybe it is hereditary from my mom's side. But then can it be improved? The only thing that was coming in my head was to give him more vitamin A and vitamin C in his diet. But when I went to my hometown, Baroda, I came across a center named as Sai Prakriti, which helps you in reducing the eye number. I was very happy. I went there, I consulted, and they said it can be removed, the eye number can be removed by a particular set of exercises if done on a continuous basis. Although his eyesight is not 6/6 right now, but after a span of say 1.5 years, it has improved by 90%, I would say. The very reason that we didn't have video for almost 2 weeks is because I was in my hometown, Baroda, and there I had gone obviously to meet my parents and for his eye exercises. The center is in Baroda. So I'll give you a glimpse of some of the exercises which he has done at the center. Some of these exercises we have explained in detail in one of our video, the link of which is given here. Let me be very clear that this is not at all a sponsored video. This video is actually a review whether these exercises work or not. And based on our personal experience, this has really worked. The whole concept of these exercises is just to improve your eye muscles. We do a lot of exercises for our body consciously, but do we do it for our eyes? You know that eyes are the only organ that are working right from the day you wake up to the time you go to sleep. Nowadays we are spending a lot of time in front of gadgets. By the end of the day, your eyes get stressed. By doing these exercises, they will rejuvenate and improve your eye vision also. So you don't have to actually take out time to do eye exercises. Whenever you remember, just do your eye movement in a circular way, like this. In a circular manner, slowly. So do it for 10 counts clockwise and 10 counts anti-clockwise.
So this exercise will work for dry eyes also? Because I have it.
Because you're watching a lot of movies, yeah? When I was not there. Well, they do work for dry eyes also. So in addition to the circular motion of the eyes, you can also do palming. Just rub your hands, and when they are a little warm, and keep it on your eyes for a minimum a minute. You'll feel relaxed. In addition, you have to consciously blink for a minimum count of 20, like this.
We do blink, right? Then why do we do it consciously?
Because the thing is, we don't realize when while watching a movie or when we are on the laptop, we don't realize that we are not blinking. We're into it. So it is actually staring. That is the reason why blinking has become more important now. Yeah, another thing that you should do is switch off your laptop or mobile. For all of us,
yes.
Applies to follow all of us, and take a walk in the nature. The green color of the nature also helps in soothing your eyesight.
You need to do 3 things for your eyes. First, eat for your eyes.
That means include foods that are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C more in your diet.
Second, sleep for your eyes.
For that, you need to shut off your gadgets for minimum half an hour before your sleep in order to get adequate rest.
Is that possible? Okay. And third, most important, exercise for your eyes.
So all the exercises we have given you earlier, you can do at your ease. So the center which we consulted is a total naturopathy center where they use where they help you in doing exercises and they give you a diet chart to follow.
The details of the center which she has consulted is given in the description below. There are so many such centers across India. So if you find such centers nearby, you can give it a try because this works out for us.
Yes. If you like our video, then please do subscribe to our channel and share it to the maximum with your friends and family.
We are getting a lot of comments and appreciation from you, and we are so happy for that. If you have any queries related to this, please put it in the comment box. we will get back to you.
So till then, stay tuned for our next video. Take care. Bye
Bye.
bye.